This is a repair test for Jose Nieves. It is October 3rd, 2022. The time is 2:00 p.m. We'll be attempting to repair the shingle here. Right here, it's got creasing and wind damage. We've already attempted to break some of the sealant strips. This sealant is holding extremely strong, so we might run into a problem with that. However, we're going to keep it moving. Okay. The shingles are so brittle, man. They're holding on so tight, just want to tear right through them. So that's what we're using, is a 5-in-1. All right, if you want to get an overview of what we're looking at here, make sure you get a close-up of the damaged shingle that, with the wind damage, what we're attempting to replace on there. Very good. And if you want to come back and get on this other side, we'll start pulling these nails out. These tools that we're using is a 5-in-1 nail puller, State Farm tool, roof snake. Go ahead and get started on pulling some of these nails. All them granules coming right off. You want to get a close-up of the condition of that shingle. Granule loss and creasing. You can see it, it's evident. Good. Next one. Same thing with this. You want to get a close-up and note the condition of that shingle. There's granule loss and creasing. Good. Look at that guy. Condition, granule loss and increasing. Good. Get a close up of the condition of that. There's creasing along the top. So give it a couple taps just to show that there is granule loss. Very good. On down, you want to get back on this other side of me. That way we're not getting in each other's way. Just pouring off of that. Close up and note the condition of that shingle with the granular loss increasing along the top. Down to the next one. Next order, this one. Close up and note the condition of that shingle, granular loss increasing. On to the next. One more. Okay, if you want to get a close-up and note the condition of that one. So, probably break the sealant strip of the shingles we're taking out. Here. New shingle. These are in bad shape. Roof snake. decking's wanting to come up. Come on, man. They're not wanting to go in straight today.
Low pitch roof.
Slid up in there a little more. All right. Here's your phone. Spare test has failed. There's creasing and granule loss on all the surrounding shingles. This repair test has failed. All right, here you go.